Time for a little bit of real talk here. I don't think there's a self-proclaimed petrol head around who hasn't noticed that the times they're changing and things are going a little more environmentally friendly, depending how you look at it. Hybrid, electric, those things are here to stay, and there's no denying that the performance is starting to come along with that too. You're seeing some electric conversions of classic cars, and actually in those applications they work really well, and they get some serious quickness out of those too. Cub Cadet has come out with a line of electric riding mowers, and I don't know, I think the range isn't quite there yet, but today we're gonna start on another project. It's a little bit different. It's an electric tractor, and you know, yeah, okay, the capability's not quite there yet, and it's true in this case as well, but I think you'll probably agree with me that it's actually pretty cool. So it's a little late right now. I'm not going to start on it just yet, but just give you a quick introduction. If you want to see the build documented on the channel, drop a like down there and let me know, and I'll record it, and I will oblige. Without further ado, the great reveal. Ta-da! Our top tech's first birthday is coming up, and my dad, the OG shop cat, and his wife, my stepmom, bought this sweet farm tractor with a little trailer for the little guy. So I'm not going to start it right now, but I can't wait to pull it out of the box and get going on it and see if we can't think of some ways to put just a tiny bit of shop cat spin on it. Nothing crazy, but maybe some top tech decals or something. All right, thanks. Have a good night. Talk to you soon.
Are we recording?
Yeah, we're recording.
Okay. Hi, YouTube.
Oh, careful.
You okay? Hi, YouTube.
Hey, I'm here with Cash and Cat Treats for Muck-Around Monday, and I gotta get this old snowblower going here so that we can put it up for sale. I just pulled it out of the shed. As you can see, it's ice cold, but it's got a new carburetor. It's a 1974, I think. The motor's 1994. It was given to me last fall, and it didn't have any spark, which had more to do with all the safety switches being out of adjustment. So fixed that up, got spark, went to clean the carburetor out, and I damaged the carburetor, but a new carburetor was dirt cheap. So got a new carburetor, and
Cold.
well, yeah, I told you. Well, that part's always going to be cold. That's where the snow comes out. But this is the exhaust, and see, cold, right?
Metal. Cold.
Well, it's going to be hot soon, I hope.
This is...
So we're going to see if it fires up. This gas is from last spring,
So you're gonna need to add better gas into it. Oh, there's Coco.
No,
hey.
I think this gas is okay. It does have electric start, but with this good carb in it, I think I'm gonna see just with the pull start if it won't go. So, see if I remember how to do this.
Okay.
Key on. That's on. Choke on. Throttle up. Disengage. Neutral.
Brakes inside?
Huh?
I think brakes is still inside.
Oh, maybe. I don't know. All right. Let's see. Fuel on. We'll prime it, and that should help a lot. All right, I hear fuel now. One more. Good stuff.
Gonna need to wash my sweater.
It'll tidy up and it will be ready for sale. So just get all the dust off. We want it to look nice and shiny and ready for sale. If you need a cloth, let me know.
I'm only doing this because I don't know how to say no to people.
I don't think that's true.
Well, like,
We're
whenever
recording
currently
someone like
Yeah.
asks me something, I'm like,
She knows how to say no to people. Trust me.
family members. Whenever I'm somewhere and someone's like, hey, do you want to do this? And I'm like, I don't want to, but I don't want to come off as rude, so then I have to say yes. It looks like some sort of deadly oil.
While she's doing that, I'm going to add some stabilizer to the Briggs & Stratton on the TecoMaster. It's going to be parked. I do have it for sale, but it's fall. Probably nobody's going to buy it. I think over the winter I might put a new carburetor on it because this one does leak a little bit once you shut it off. And they're fairly inexpensive, but just in case that doesn't happen, put some of this in and just run it through so that it gets through. You know the drill.
It's not Gatorade, it's fuel stabilizer. Because I read it.
Yeah. So it just keeps, because gas goes bad.
It does.
It doesn't last very long. Like, maybe not even a year.
Goes bad like the tomatoes that are in the bowl and on the counter.
Are they going bad?
I don't know.
It's
Probably.
been a while.
Cat. Yeah. I think Coco's on the hood of Grandma's car. Yeah, I think he's under here. He's a cat. He is a cat. No. Luz, help me.
You want to help? Here. Have a rag and just go wipe dust off.
Okay. Yeah, like this part needs the red part needs some wiping.
Alright. Here, we're going to fire this up.
No.
Oh, it's not so bad.
It's not bad, Sam.
should do the trick.
It blows away the dust, so that's easy.
Yeah?
I screamed that, but I don't think anyone heard it.
I heard it.
Alright, I'm going to pop it back up on here.
And then we're not going to run it again.
Well,
It's damaging my ears.
yeah, not anytime soon, I guess. We'll see what parts get cut out.
Yeah. I bet this is not gonna cut out.
Honorary shop cat Morgan has come over to visit from the neighbors. Hey, buddy. Check out those wrench grabbers. Hey, look at those feet. What a good boy. Huh? Look at those toes. Come here. Come here. Show off your toes. What a good boy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Well, I haven't given you guys a chicken update in a while. I'm out here with Top Tech. And we're down a chicken. Reginald was getting pretty aggressive, and so he has since moved in with my boss, and he enjoys sleeping on her lap while she watches movies. So that's what his life is like now. And since then, these two have blossomed. You can see they're a lot bigger. And Nikki has been giving us really nice little eggs every day. They're still a little small, but they're getting bigger all the time. So it's really fun. We're going to convert part of our tractor shed to a chicken coop for the winter and probably get a few more hens so we get a few more eggs. Right, buddy? Hey.